Hey there, welcome to my virtual diary. My name is Hannah and I'm a Filipina living in Sofia, Bulgaria with my husband Bess. Join me as I navigate my mid-20s in an unfamiliar place while finding balance between life and work. In today's vlog, we are taking you to a town located on the northern slopes of Bulgaria's Rila mountains, Borovets. Hi.
Hello.
Hi! We're heading to Borovets tonight. It's already 6:18 p.m. Straight from work. We just stopped by to get UTD, some fries from McDonald's because I was craving. I was just talking about it with my friends. And then it hit me. I want one. It's so pretty. So pretty. Oh my goodness. Our first time in a ski resort on winter. Good morning from Borovets. It's frozen. Our baby's frozen. Good morning! We're currently in Borovets. It's -6 here right now. It's one of the ski resorts here in Bulgaria. Let's go! Hey, we're crossing the slope. Wow, so pretty.
Много по-бавен. Тук се спрял да намалиш. С скорости едва ли ще може да направиш.
Oh, it's closed.
Иначе виж, етварят се вижда от стаята, гледай колко е високо още.
We're supposed to go to a park a while ago, but they're closed today and I think tomorrow. So we decided to go to this park. Oh, it's so pretty here.
Yeah. From the bridge, from there.
Bro, that's a fountain over there. It's frozen. Look, the water's trying to come out.
It doesn't work.
It doesn't work?
I think it's like that.
Yeah.
This thing will overflow if I put it.
Yeah, don't. Just don't.
It don't.
Tea break. Sorry, then.
Твоя опиния.
Good morning. This weekend we stayed at Hotel Olymp, or Hotel Olympus in English. It's a 3-star military hotel, meaning it's owned and run by the state. It's conveniently located next to the ski slopes. The communist vibe of the structure is still there, but it's actually well maintained, plus the people that works here are so nice. It has a pool, sauna, gym, and a restaurant that is open all day. They also have a club and a cafe. Our room was very spacious, enough to accommodate the 5 of us, and we have a beautiful view of the slope next to the hotel, and the bathroom was huge.
It's the view. There's a
I can't really tell how much was the nightly rate since my in-laws paid for this, but I think it's much cheaper compared to the other hotels in the area.
We slept there. This was the bathroom. It's kind of spacious. We're going home. It's the end of the weekend staycation. See you next year. Right? We'll try to learn how to ski next year. We'll see how it goes. Oh, look how many people are waiting in line
Oh,
to go up the slope. When we arrived here, it looked like a Christmas village because we arrived at night, but I couldn't show it to you guys because we didn't go out at night. Next year.